So if you keep them away from that experience, just showing them the good only and not showing the ugly, whatever we are experiencing or how we're resolving all the issues or the problems, they miss out on that. And they likely not to invest with you.
So that is exactly, so you've really hit the nail on the head, right? So a lot of sponsors are suffering significant failures at the moment on their deals, right? Deals that are worth less than the debt. This is total fail. And the problem is that it is a natural thing, actually, human nature, not just for sponsors, but in general, but it applies directly to sponsors who are in such a situation, to continue to put on a happy face, that everything's okay. Here we're raising more money now for this deal. We've got a debt fund that we're raising money for. You've got to be very, very careful